Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you manifest some extra money into those bags to acquire as much BTC as you can, some FEG, and load up for sure. We can see that Bitcoin broke 47,000, so the markets are very bullish. But today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about SmartDeFi Launchpad, the Leap pre-sale as they call it, hashtag Leap down below. But we're going to go over this Medium page, and then we're also going to cover some of the latest and greatest from the FEG official X page. So let's go ahead and get this started. Smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know the rest. So cost-effective crypto launch, SmartDeFi's Leap pre-sale, and path to accessibility. So anybody can do this, making it easy for everybody. And there's some juicy details in here. So we got SmartDeFi Leap, aka Leap, is a liquidity event and pre-sale system offers a novel approach to launching crypto projects by enabling tokenless presale. This innovative method aligns with legal frameworks, circumventing the regulations and risk associated with traditional token-based presales. By participating in a liquidity-generated event, aka LGE, investors acquire vested shares of a generated liquidity pool, aka LP, which addresses common issues found in existing presale models. All right. Let's go ahead and continue. We got one of the primary benefits of SmartDeFi Leap presale system is the vested LP interest is provided to presellers. This mechanism promotes a stable token ecosystem and ensures security for all token holders. Unlike traditional presales, where investors might sell their tokens to realize profits, causing price dumps, profits in SmartDeFi systems are claimed from unlocked vested LP, supporting the project rather than potentially harming it with pre-sale selling and dumps. So taking a lot of the volatility that happens when a token launches right out the gate. So protecting investors, security, we're always going to talk about it as far as SmartDeFi goes in the FEG ecosystem, is to keep new investors safe, making sure nobody has a bitter taste when it comes to moving over to DeFi, basically. So we got SmartDeFi Leap presale system also reimagines developer rewards by granting developers a share in the vested LP. This aligns the developer's long-term interests with those of the project without the need to sell tokens. That is very unique right there. So that's removing selling pressure. When we talk about, when projects launch, a lot of times those tokens have to be sold to create whatever they said. That's just how it works. Right here, we're talking about without the need to sell tokens, which can often lead to price volatility. Exactly what we were just talking about. And a loss of confidence among investors because they see that selling pressure and people are trying to get in, but it feels like they keep getting hit over the head. It makes it a lot harder for people to have a positive take or outlook. Remember, you get one chance to make a first impression. So this is kind of removing that right there. By having a stake in the project's liquidity, developers are incentivized to contribute to the project's success over time. Furthermore, the Leap presale, this is interesting right here. We've seen this by the FEG team. Leap putting everywhere. Let me know if you guys have noticed this being hashtag everywhere. Leave some hashtags down below. Hashtag Leap. Like and subscribe as well if you haven't already. Also join the TG where we're going to be hosting a lot of AMAs for the SmartDeFi projects. That link will be down in the description and most likely in the comments as well, pinned up. The Moneybags Mansion. Don't miss out on that. So we have furthermore, the Leap presale system includes innovative pairing options that enhance market dynamics. The automatic pairing with secondary LP and the dual pool dynamic not only facilitates dynamic market arbitrage, hashtag down below arbitrage, because we've been talking about arbitrage a lot on the channel. And I said I was going to make a video on arbitrage when I saw more likes, more comments on arbitrage. But look at how we speak things into reality right here, because we're talking about arbitrage again. But also allows FEG stakers to convert SD tokens to FEG seamlessly. Each presale closure has a positive impact on the FEG price and creates arbitrage opportunities, benefiting from the entire protocol and all projects in the ecosystem. This system is designed to enhance volume. Volume is king. I've said that on the channel several times. Volume is king, arbitrage, and provide additional benefits to the protocol stakeholders. So volume is king, and here goes that word arbitrage. We will be talking about it on the channel. Hashtag arbitrage down below. We have Leap presales are featured on the SmartDeFi ecosystem designed to help project creators gather liquidity from investors without the need to add liquidity manually. This system, known as Liquidity Generated Event, aka LGE, allows creators to set various parameters such as the amount of SD tokens or the LGE, the rate of SD token per BNB, maximum buy limit, start date and time, duration, vesting delay, vesting rate, backing share, development share, the share that the dev gets, and FEG share. These settings enable project creators to customize their presale to align with their project goals and investors' expectations. Something that I want to add that you guys can check out right here. If you guys go to the Git book and about SmartDeFi, you'll also learn that these things can be changed also later on, but it does give the investors a 3-day window period to let you know that the developers, the dev, have changed the parameters. But this is, you can change these parameters. You're not subject to be stuck to that. So it gives you that functionality, which I think is very bullish. The cost of launching a SmartDeFi project using the Leap presale system is primarily in the form of a blockchain fees. Like always, it doesn't matter what we create forever. If we use the BNB blockchain, if we use the ETH one, we always going to have to pay fees. There's no way around that. So blockchain gas fees, minting a SmartDeFi project is free, but transactions on the blockchain, such as those during the creation of a token or hosting a Leap, that's interesting, or hosting a Leap, incur gas costs. These costs vary depending, this is interesting, right? We're going to have to dig into this right here, or hosting one. Incur gas costs. These costs vary depending on the blockchain usage. And of course, excuse me, if you're using on BNB, you're going to have to pay gas fees associated with the Binance Smart Chain. And if you're launching a token using wrapped Ethereum, you'll be paying a little bit more gas fees. As we know, the gas fees on the Ethereum network cost a little bit more. In addition to gas fees, there is, excuse me, there is a protocol fee associated with SmartDeFi Launchpad and is set at a modest 0.5. And this is modest. You know, in addition to gas fees, there is a protocol fee associated with the SmartDeFi Launchpad and it's set at a modest 0.5. You got to pay the goose that lays the golden egg, right? If you believe in SmartDeFi, you believe in everything that's going down, would you not want to take care of the goose that's helping you lay the golden egg? So I think this is set to a modest percentage. You guys let me know down below. Do you feel like you want to feed the goose that's laying the golden egg, making sure that goose stays fed so we can keep laying these golden eggs? This fee is a small tax that takes a percentage from each buy and sell transaction on project launch through the platform. SmartDeFi Launchpad allows creators to start their projects with the minimum upfront cost while contributing to the maintenance and development of the SmartDeFi ecosystem. SmartDeFi Launchpad offers a cost-effective solution for launching crypto projects by eliminating the need for coding expertise and upfront capital investment in token creation. The platform allows project creators to mint, pre-sale, launch, and build their staking protocol with just a few clicks, free of charge. This approach significantly reduces the financial barriers to entry for project creators, making it more accessible to launch a crypto project without inquiring high development and setup costs. This is going to help a lot of ideas come to fruition. Let's go ahead and make sure you guys give FEG Token a follow at FEG Token. That make sure you guys got the bell notification lit and whatnot like that. Heading over to this right here, I am grateful for another week devoted to the success of FEG Token. So we're getting closer and closer. FEG's SmartDeFi Launchpad is currently undergoing its second complete audit as we edge closer to the public testing. So I think we should interact with this, like, comment, you know, share this as much as you can, because this is associated with what we just talked about, SmartDeFi. And we can see that this is starting to amp up, and we can see quite a bit of people talking about SmartDeFi, the Launchpad, of course. Make sure I'm calling the FEG army. I'm sounding the trumpet. Come over here. We got, you know, Bitcoin ETFs in the air. We've seen Bitcoin break 47,000. Like I said, nobody on this channel, we're not waiting to see Bitcoin hit 69,000 to say it's back. We're building right now, and we can see that the FEG team is also building and has been building, and this is the perfect time for this ecosystem to come to life. And you guys can help me out by doing that. Like, subscribe, share the video, and if you guys can't do that, keep coming back and experiencing the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.